Hi and welcome to episode number 609 with whatsforchow.com. Today we're going to make a batch of caramel popcorn with just a few simple ingredients. To start, measure out 200 grams sugar and 135 grams unpopped popcorn. You'll also need 30 ml of oil and Himalayan rock salt in a grinder, should you want your caramel popcorn salted. Place the corn in a pan large enough for the seeds to lie in a single layer. Add the oil to the pan and stir the pan briefly to coat the popcorn with the oil. Flatten the seeds into a single layer and put the lid on the pan. Light the gas and set it to medium-high. In about 2 minutes, the corn will start to pop. Give the pan a gentle shake intermittently to achieve even cooking and avoid burning. When the popping subsides, turn off the heat and remove the lid. Transfer the popped corn to a large heatproof bowl, making sure to leave any unpopped kernels behind. Wipe out your pan and pour in the sugar. Place this over medium-high heat. After 2 to 3 minutes, the sugar will start to melt, and this is your cue to start stirring. More and more of the sugar will melt until you have a golden mass of molten sugar. Bring the molten sugar to a boil. As it starts to foam up, turn off the heat. Give the molten caramelized sugar a final stir to knock down the foam and pour it over the popcorn. Be very careful when working with molten sugar, as spilling or splashing this on your body can cause horrific burns. Give the popcorn a thorough stir, making sure to dig down to the bottom of the bowl to lift the caramel that has run through. Transfer the coated popcorn to a large baking pan. Break the pieces apart and allow it to cool for a few minutes before serving or storing in an airtight container. If you want your caramel popcorn salted, grind your salt over the popcorn at this stage. Thanks for joining us today. Please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you again tomorrow.